Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the correct remote and Bluetooth-enabled Samsung TV. Once confirmed, power the TV and open the Input Device Manager. Make sure the Siri remote has charge. Hold menu and volume up for about 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. While it flashes, use the TV's Add New Device or Bluetooth list to detect it. If the TV asks, accept the pairing request. The reason we pair is to map basic controls over Bluetooth, so navigation and play/pause respond reliably. Once paired, you must map controls so the remote behaves predictably. Select the detected Siri remote, choose Pair or Connect, and follow on-screen prompts to assign home, play/pause, back, and volume if Samsung exposes that option. Make sure to test navigation in the TV's Smart Hub and One Streaming app. This confirms directional and selection inputs match. If volume control isn't available over Bluetooth, use HDMI-C setup next. This bridges the TV audio with the finish by enabling HDMI-C called Ethernet Plus on the Samsung so volume and power sync work with the Apple remote. This improves control beyond Bluetooth. Once done, reboot the TV and recheck the remote. If inputs are laggy or missing, unpair and repeat the pairing steps. If nothing changes, reset the remote by holding menu and volume down for 5 seconds, then pair again. One key troubleshooting tip. Test another Bluetooth device to verify the TV's Bluetooth is functioning before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.